In this video, I want to talk about how to determine whether two lines are parallel or not. In this case, we have line AB shown in a front view and a horizontal plane, and line CD. They may look parallel in two views, but it takes three in every case except for when you see the lines as points, as if you were looking straight down the line. If that's the case and they look parallel, if there are 2 points and they look parallel in another view, then you're fine. And another case is when the lines are coincident, like they'd be on top of each other in one view. And if they look like they're parallel in another view, then those are the only 2 views you need. But in this case, we need another view. So I'm going to use a miter line, 45 degrees. Get it out there. And then we'll just transfer points from the top view to the front view to the right side view, the profile view. All right, so we'll use some construction lines. We'll stay with that. And we'll start with A. So straight across. And I'll just track along here and draw it straight down. So there's point A at that intersection. Now B is not going to be as far, so I won't draw that as far. I'll track. And there's point B. So here's line AB. We'll change its layer so we can see it in a different color. Okay, same thing for CD. I already have line C drawn, and actually I already have this line. I'll go ahead and extend it. So that would be point C, and point D again would be here. So I already have the 2 points. C would be at the bottom here, and D would be up here. So there's line CD. And we can tell that they are not parallel because they don't look like they're parallel in the third view, even though they do in the other 2 views. So that's how you determine. I would label these to turn this in. I would just make copies of these points. Where's point C again? Right here. B is going to be here, and so forth. Right? There you go.